Welcome to Medical Lectures channel. In this video, we are going to discuss saliva composition and function. Saliva. The major function of salivary glands is to produce saliva, which keeps the oral cavity moist and helps in eating, speaking, swallowing, and digestion. Volume of saliva is 600 to 1000 ml per day. Composition of saliva. Electrolytes: sodium, chloride, potassium, calcium, bicarbonates, phosphates, ammonia, magnesium, and fluoride. Secretory proteins and peptides are amylase, maltase, lipase, mucins, histatins, cystatins, peroxidase, lysozyme, and lactoferrin. Immunoglobulins that are present in saliva are IgA, IgG, and IgM. What are the functions of saliva? The functions of saliva are protection, buffering, pellicle formation, antimicrobial action, tissue repair, digestion, and taste. Protection. Saliva protects the oral cavity in many ways. Washing action of saliva flushes away the bacteria and other debris, for example, sugars. The mucin and other glycoproteins provide lubrication, preventing the oral tissue from adhering and allowing them to slide away easily. The mucin also forms a barrier against microbial toxins and minor trauma. Buffering action of saliva. Bicarbonate and phosphate ions in saliva have buffering action that protects the teeth from demineralization from acid produced during sugar metabolism. Salivary protein also contribute to the buffering action of saliva. Pellicle formation. Salivary proteins bind to the surface of the teeth and oral mucosa, forming a thin film called the salivary pellicle. Proteins bind calcium and protect the tooth surface. Other proteins bind bacteria to the tooth surface during plaque formation. Taste. Saliva function in taste by solubilizing the food so that it can be sensed by taste receptors located in the taste buds. Saliva produced by the minor salivary glands contain proteins that bind taste substance and present them to the taste receptors. Digestion. Saliva helps in moistening of the food. Then it helps in solubilization of the food substances. Actions of the enzymes, for example amylase and lipase, present in the saliva starts the digestive process. Tissue repair. A variety of growth factors and other biologically active peptides and proteins are present in the saliva. These substances may help to promote tissue growth and wound healing. Microbial action. Saliva has major effect on the microorganisms that colonize oral tissues. Mucins in the saliva has physical barrier effect. Saliva has proteins with antimicrobial activity such as lysozyme, lactoferrin, peroxidase, secretory leukocyte protease inhibitor. Antiviral activity. Major salivary immunoglobulins IgA causes agglutination of specific microorganisms, preventing their adhesion to oral tissues and forming clumps that are swallowed. Mucin causes aggregation of microorganisms.